To start the synchronization process using our OpenDental connector app, we need to follow a few necessary steps beginning with OpenDental. Firstly, we will complete the OpenDental connector setup followed by the key configuration. To begin with the connector setup, firstly, we need to add the registration key, also known as the license key in the OpenDental, for which we will be clicking on the Tools option in the main menu. Then further going Setup Wizard, and here we will have the option to add the registration key. On double-clicking this and clicking the Next option, here we have the registration key. On click the Change option, we will be able to add the registration key, and allowing the license agreements and clicking on OK, the registration key will be added. And further clicking Next, the setup has been completed for the registration key. Now the eConnector services. So for eConnector setup, we will be navigating this and install the connector. Here is the installation button available on clicking the installation button. The eConnector services will be installed in the OpenDental instance. And once that's completed, we will be clicking on the Start button. And in a while, we will have the log below. And our eConnector will be giving the heartbeats. In case if there are any errors, we can click the refresh button clicked and that will resolve the errors. Even if there are any issues still, then we can also click on the acknowledge button and we will be able to see the heartbeats and the eConnector setup will be completed. Now moving forward for the key configuration. What we are supposed to do is go to the developer portal. So here we have the OpenDental developer portal login. Here we are supposed to create the customer key. So below in the Actions option, we will have to click the Create Key, and this 3 once created, we can't undo it. So allowing and clicking on Yes, the key will be generated and then in this way it will be displayed here. So the key which we need to connect to the OpenDental instance, which we are setting up for, then we will be clicking the Copy button here. And now going back to the OpenDental, we will be going to the Setup option and Advanced Setup and API Key. So the customer key, which we just copied from the developer portal, we will need to add it here. So we will be clicking the Add Key option, Paste. We will have to paste that and clicking on OK, that will add the API key here. So on clicking the Save button, that will be added and our API key setup from the OpenDental end has been completed as well as our eConnector is also running. So these are the few configuration steps which needs to be followed before we start synchronization using our connector app. Thank you.